While you're scrolling TikTok, others are making real money. Thousands, even millions. And they're not celebrities. They're regular people who decided to create, not just consume. The barrier to entry, lower than ever. All you need is your phone and a willingness to try. Forget websites, marketing degrees, or even your own products. TikTok has built the store for you. Your job show products you like, share why, and get paid when people buy. It's like recommending a restaurant to a friend, except now, you get a cut. This is the biggest online opportunity right now, and most people are missing it. We're going to turn your scrolling into a real income stream. I'll give you the step-by-step playbook to become a TikTok shop creator. No fluff, just actionable steps to go from zero to your first commission. This isn't luck. It's about being authentic and understanding the platform. The opportunity is huge, but it won't last forever. The internet has created more self-made millionaires than anything else in history. TikTok Shop is the new gold rush. This is your chance to get in early. Don't be the person who says, "I wish I'd started." Be the one who says, "I'm glad I did." Let's turn your attention into your asset. Are you ready to get paid? So, what is TikTok Shop? It's a giant online mall built right into the TikTok app. When you watch a video, you'll see a shopping cart icon. Tap it, and you can buy the product instantly without leaving the app. For creators, you don't need inventory, shipping, or customer service. Just connect with brands, make a video, and link the product. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, usually 5% to 20% or more. It's affiliate marketing, powered by TikTok's viral algorithm. Your authenticity is your superpower. Real reviews from real people build trust, and trust leads to sales. TikTok is pushing shop content hard, so even with 0 followers, your video can go viral. Early adopters win big. The audience is ready to buy. This is your moment. Let's get you signed up. You need a TikTok account. If you don't have one, download the app and create it now. To be a TikTok shop creator in the US, you usually need 5,000 followers, but there's a workaround. Register as an individual seller on the TikTok Shop Seller Center website. No follower requirement. Provide your ID and tax info. You're setting up a real business. Once approved, link your seller account to your TikTok profile. You'll see the TikTok Shop option in your settings. This is your command center. Browse the product marketplace for items to promote and see commission rates. You've bypassed the follower requirement and can add product links to your videos. You're officially in the game. Now let's find products and start creating. How do you make videos about products you don't own? You don't have to buy them. TikTok Shop lets you request free samples from sellers eager for promotion. In the product marketplace, look for Request a Free Sample. Write a short professional message to the seller about why you're a good fit. Be strategic. Pick products with good commissions and reviews. Expect some rejections, but keep trying. As you post, more sellers will reach out to you. Once approved, the seller ships the product to you. Your only obligation, make a video with the product link. No inventory cost, just your time and creativity. You can build a business reviewing free products. This is how you start from nothing and build momentum. You need a niche, a focused topic or category. Why? Because a clear niche builds a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. Top TikTok shop niches: beauty and skincare, home goods and gadgets, fashion and apparel, and health and wellness. Beauty makeup tutorials, skincare results always viral. Home goods, kitchen tools, cleaning hacks, smart devices, show how they solve problems. Fashion everyday wear, try-on hauls, unique finds. Health fitness gear, supplements, self-care. Pick a broad niche, then narrow it down. Be the expert in your corner. Choose something you're genuinely interested in. Your passion will show. Consistency is everything. Pick your niche and commit. Here's your 30-day plan to go from zero to your first commission. Week 1. Set up your accounts and study your niche. Watch viral videos, save 20 that work, and learn what makes them pop. Week 2. Post 1 video every day, even if it's not perfect. Use your research. Hook viewers in 3 seconds. Show the product, and add a clear call to action. Week 3. Keep posting daily. Analyze your analytics. What's getting views and engagement? Double down on what works. Engage with others in your niche, comment, connect, and be part of the community. Week 4, keep posting. Optimize your best performing videos. Try new hooks, sounds, and formats. Keep requesting samples to review. By the end of 30 days, you'll have 20 plus videos, real experience, and maybe your first sale. The goal isn't to get rich in a month, it's to build habits, learn, and prove the model works. Your first commission, no matter how small, changes everything. You're no longer a beginner, you're a creator. Don't overthink it, just do it. Action beats perfection. Every day you post, you get better. The more you create, the more you learn. Consistency is your secret weapon. Celebrate your progress, you're on your way. You have the blueprint. The only thing left is action. You can keep scrolling, or you can start building your own income stream, right now. Open TikTok Shop Seller Center and sign up. The difference between those who win and those who don't? They start. Don't let fear or perfectionism stop you. Your first videos won't be great, post them anyway. Every creator started with 0 followers and a bad first video. They just didn't quit. Use free resources, YouTube tutorials, CapCut for editing, trending TikTok sounds. But the most important resource is your commitment. This opportunity is real and life-changing for those who act. Your time is now. Let's go.
Over $25 million in the... How much money do you make off TikTok Shop?
Oh my goodness. Last month I did 405.
405,000?
Yeah.
On 1 month?
Yes.
That was GMV?
Yes. My
How much-
highest month was like 550.
550 in 1 month. $500,000 in 1 month.
I just hit 15 million in GMV.
What has been your highest month in sales that you've done on TikTok Shop since the start?
In sales, 3 million in GMV.
Last month I made 176,000.
I'll just say that it was over 200,000.
193,000 GMV.
$193,000 in 1 month.
Yes, yes.
Over 1.5 million
A month.
a month for my personal page.
112K in 1 day.
What has been your highest day in sales on TikTok Shop?
$25,000 in take-home pay on 1 day.
Like 60,000.
60,000 in in 1 day? Yeah.
112K in 1 day.
In 1 day.
Yeah.